Now it's very flexible. Very flexible. It's a fresh green leaf. I'm going to put inside. See. That's it. So first trial over. Now second trial has been over. Now third. Now I have a small watering pipe. So very flexible. It's a very flexibility. See, garden hose is a plastic hose. Now I am going to put inside. Just 2 seconds, okay? 1, 2. Reduce the size of the balloon. Okay. Can you give some ideas? I want to reduce the balloon size. How to reduce it? Without breaking the balloon, how to reduce the size of it? We can place it in the liquid nitrogen. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. You're all afraid. There is a balloon now in the thermocol box. Okay, let's see what happened. You see. See, when I place under the liquid nitrogen, the size is reducing. Once if I take out, what happens? It regaining the size. See, if I take out, it regaining the size. So what is the science behind of it? What is the reason behind this? Compression of air. So once again, I'll put it in the liquid nitrogen. Let's see. You see here, you can able to see here some liquid. See, so where it comes from? Yeah. Actually, you see, here there is a liquid, maybe 5 to 10 ml of some liquid. Can you able to find here? You see? Okay. So where it has come from? Carbon dioxide. Not carbon dioxide actually. Liquid nitrogen. Already I told you what is the temperature of liquid nitrogen? Minus 196 degrees Celsius. So here inside the balloon there is air. Okay. So the air which is inside the balloon has become liquid. Okay. So this liquid also, the temperature of the minus 96 degrees Celsius, that temperature is more than enough to convert the gas into liquid which is inside the balloon. Okay. And so one more idea I will give you. if you feel that you are being obese, I'll give some tips to reduce your weight. How to reduce the weight of your body? How to reduce? Yeah, you have to sit inside the line, right? If you want to regain your weight, better you can come out. Isn't it? Is it possible? No. Once if you get inside the liquid hydrogen, your days will be over. That's all. Okay. So now, actually it is a long size balloon. Let's see how it is compressing. You see. It has come to the normal position, normal stage. Okay. If you want to reduce it, the size, you reduce it. See how fast yeah. Okay. Let's see. If you want to, what is that? Crush it like puffed. Someone of you please come. Yaru Artiya. So first as a volunteer one. Aditya. See. You crush it. Again I will give you some cover. Sound. Can everybody hear the metallic sound? Actually, it's a fresh leaf. When we place in the under the liquid hydrogen, it has become what is that? Hardened. Why? Why it has become hardened? Because the water or liquid which is inside the leaf, it gets freezed within fraction of a second. Okay. See, if I crush the leaves, what can we get? If I crush the leaf, what can we get? Juice. Okay, liquid or juice. Your cells are made up of cytoplasm. We have studied now. So these juice are the liquid part now. It freezes within fraction of second. Fraction of second when I placed under the liquid hydrogen. Okay. When I take out, okay, now it has become original condition. You see how it has come to the original condition. Now it's flexible. Nothing happened. Why? Because so when I take out from the liquid nitrogen the freezed water molecules again, it's melted. So that's why it has come to the normal position. Okay. So if you are what is that? If you put your hand in the liquid nitrogen, what happens? What will happen? If you put your hand, your what is that? Fingers, hand, everything will be freezed out within a fraction of a second. But after 1 or 2 minutes, It will come to the original position now. No. The cells will be dying. Okay, you cannot retrieve the functions of your hand, isn't it? Because our hand is made up of millions of cells, tissues, nerves, bones are there, blood, everything will be freezing out within fraction of seconds. So it's a very dangerous liquid. So don't try to put your hand in the liquid nitrogen. Okay. So for what purpose we are using the liquid nitrogen? Especially for preservation purpose, cryopreservation. So if I keep, and one more thing, I tell you, this is a tomato. I am putting inside one more. Just 1 minute.
टोमॅटो लिक्विड नायट्रोजन मध्ये घातलेला आहे. ज्यांना दिसत नाही त्यांना कॉमेंट्री सांगत आहे. ओके, टोमॅटो लिक्विड नायट्रोजन मध्ये घातलेला आहे. इमॅजिन करा डोळे दाखवून. पूर्ण नहीं है टमाटो.
Actually, hard. Okay. And what was it?
घट्ट झाला गॅस पाहिजे का कोणाला? अरे ज्यांना ऐकू येत नाही मी त्यांना सांगत आहे जरा थांबा, आवाज करू नका.
Yes, bright is a colorless liquid, odorless. There is no different. What is that? Smell. There is no smell, no color. Colorless liquid. But temperature is minus 196 degrees Celsius. I am going to have.
खिचडी कोण कोण खाणार आहे नंतर? मॅगी.
Like how many whistles? 1, 2, 3. Enough. Go 4. Keep going 4, 5. Now I am going to open it. Yes, sir. Shall I open it now? If I open it, what will happen? You can't open. Yes. Why it's whistling? The sound, why? Because of vaporization of liquid nitrogen. So liquid nitrogen, the temperature of liquid nitrogen as we know that is minus 196 degrees Celsius. Okay. Due to vaporization, what is the hall temperature? Room temperature maybe 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. So due to the variation of temperature, what is it? The vaporization of liquid nitrogen from liquid stage into gaseous stage. Okay. Here I have taken maybe 20 to 25 ml of liquid nitrogen. Due to the vaporization, it creates pressure. Due to the pressure, it is leak. Okay. You see. Okay. Now, shall I open it? But you can touch and feel the temperature, chillness. Just see, just to hold it. Here I got balloon. See, so first, I asked tips now, idea, so how to make reduce the size of the balloon. Now here I am asking you how to make it bigger in size. Here's the matter. We cannot able to put inside. So how to increase the size of balloon? So for that also we have some ideas. Okay. I'll tell you. Take QML of liquid nitrogen. Pour into vertical flask. See here one whole rubber car, and the end of this glass tube we have tied a balloon. Now you see. What's happening here? Huh? The size